Okay, so the other shop just opened up after lunch, and the mechanic's here, and he is looking at the truck with Jay. I'm not going outside because I don't want to be pushing the camera in his face or anything, and besides, it's really hot outside. So we will let Jay catch us up when we find out what's going on. All right, that's it for now. Oh, they're doing an awful lot of talking out there, so I don't know.
Okay guys, here we are at Bassett City Park. We just had a thunderstorm blow through here. Cooled things off really good. It was hot today, but talking to that mechanic, he didn't have time to do anything with it. He's a one-man shop, he said. But and I'll show you tomorrow morning when I do it. But I'm gonna hose off the transmission cooler because it looked pretty filthy, like bugs and dirt crap in there. And he said that should help. But when we get to Valentine, I'm still gonna have him check it because yeah, we don't want to get broke down in the middle of Badlands or somewhere. So anyway, this is again an old works project log cabin over here. Pool, playground over here. But this campground is donations too. So yeah, we'll drop $5 or so in there tomorrow for electric. That's pretty cool though. I'm telling you, these city parks and county parks, they are cheap to nothing. I mean, you can't afford not to stay here. Let's take a look at this thing. Log cabin built by WPA, 1938. It's probably locked, I guess. I don't know. Probably locked.
Probably.
Oops.
Hope you cut that out.
Yeah, it's locked. Got a padlock on the door.
Yeah.
See anything?
Not really. No, anything.
Bassett, Nebraska. I believe the population when we came into town. Oh, you can't see a thing.
Screens make it too difficult to see.
Yeah, but I think wasn't the population like 569 or something?
It was pretty low. Yeah, it was one of the smaller towns that we were going through.
Yeah, well, I tell you what, good Lord's watching out for us again. We were just started accelerating, going west out of town here, about a half mile out of town, when we saw smoke I saw smoke in the rearview mirror, and oh crap, what now? So we pulled over, and it was coming from Bear. Got underneath there, and it appears the transmission fluid got hot, and he agreed, of course, and pushed itself out the transmission fill tube, and then was kind of dripping, or on the exhaust and that. So hopefully spraying that off will help it tomorrow, and then we'll double check with another shop in Valentine. See you in the morning, unless we get a storm. Okay guys, we made it to Valentine. Yeah, I forgot to film spraying off the transmission cooler. But anyway, we got Bear worked fine. The hour drive to Valentine here. We're parked in an RV park. Got here yesterday, Wednesday. It overheated on Tuesday, and now this Thursday, I made an appointment at the Ford dealer. I had that at 8 o'clock this morning. Bear checked out good. It's kind of a fluke, just really hot. But we'll keep an eye on it. But anyway, we are outside of Valentine, Smith Falls State Park. We're gonna hike to that waterfall. Why don't you come along with us? What?
Come see it. I'm gonna say it's the highest waterfall in Nebraska.
70 feet, I guess.
Yes.
Okay, come see it with us. Okay, we just came down the steps from the office up there. Got some tent sites here, primitive sites. This is the Niobrara River. Beautiful. I was here 15 years ago with my boys, my family, and we canoed and kayaked and tubed down it. A lot of fun.
Yes, very pretty.
Just nice, easy going. I think there were a couple rapids. I forget how many miles we went, but mostly it's like this. Just real, it's moving, but just nice. All right, the falls are over here. Ooh. Okay, we're getting closer. They say it's about a quarter-mile walk from the visitor center. Little waterfall there.
Clear that is.
Yeah, that water's super clear. I'm actually limping right now. I pulled my calf muscle yesterday, I think it was. Yeah, yesterday morning. Feeling better today, though. It's real, I wouldn't say warm. It's only about 78 degrees right now, but it's just muggy, like 80% humidity. We can feel the coolness coming off the falls there. Beautiful. Oh yeah, beautiful. Should go down and get underneath it. Hi. Hi, Buffy. Oh, I feel that cold air coming off there. Beautiful. Yeah, what do you think of this?
This is beautiful. Just beautiful.
Nebraska.
Never would have thought.
Cold?
Yeah, not bad for heat, but not much warm.
Yeah, this is just down from the waterfall, which is up there. The main waterfall.
Thank you. Beautiful. Yeah.
Oh wow, I could have hung out there all afternoon.
Definitely.
Like, cool.
Little area right there, just beautiful.
Yep.
Cool.
Actually, more people.
Crystal clear water.
More people showing up there than I thought there would be. Anyway, what's next?
I'm not quite sure, but we'll find something. Let's go get it.
All right, stay with us. Okay, this is a scenic overlook. We're overlooking the Fort Niobrara National Wildlife Refuge. There's elk out there, there's bison, there's bobcats,
Turkeys, pheasants, you name it.
That is a peaceful picture there. Okay guys, this is just a quarter mile from the other lookout spot. You see the river down here, Niobrara. But look out across the wildlife refuge. Beautiful. There's a scenic drive through there. We're gonna go down there and drive through that too and see what we can show you. Hopefully you see some bison, or there's a prairie dog town over there too.
Well, maybe it was fate when you walked in the door. I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bus you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments.
I don't care, this is still freaky being up like this.
You gonna go out? You can get off and go out.
Oh yeah. Wow. Oh my gosh. I don't care, this still freaks me out. Yeah. Should we go across? I'm just keeping it in one.